So I'm getting ready for a New Year's party, and in the middle of me getting ready, I thought, why not do a get ready with me, which is probably the worst idea because I'm already late. I've already done my eyes, but I still have to do complexion, hair, get dressed, fragrance. Okay, I'm gonna be late. I live for the thrill. Let's get started. Okay, complexion. I have this new Ami Cole skin enhancing tint. I think one of my New Year's resolutions is just to let my skin show a bit more. Just wait till you see what I'm wearing tonight. I did say Ami Cole, right? Or did I say Ami Cole?
New Ami Cole.
I am unhinged. Come on, skin tint. Look at that. I had to do my bronzing and highlighting and all that fun stuff off camera because if I don't, I'm never gonna get out of here. Let's set. Okay, this is Givenchy's Prismalie powder. For whatever reason, I like pinker tone powders on me. Yellow makes me look green. We just need to reduce some shine, people. It is totally Ami Cole. Lashes. Carla, where are you? 5 minutes away. New Year's resolution, punctuality. Ooh! For lips, I have Anastasia Beverly Hills Satin Lipstick in Haze. First of all, yeah. And the lip liner is Cool Brown. If your lips do not look like medium well roast beef at this point, you did it all wrong. I mean, can we just... Hair. Take these things out. Never just do that sexy. Uribe's Dry Texturizing Spray. I'm gonna spray this where I need volume, which is pretty much everywhere. Do not have time to do rollers today, but for that reason, we're gonna do rollers. I don't care what anyone says. The correct order of getting ready is makeup, hair, get dressed. If you're doing anything outside of that order, keep doing what you're doing. Keep your crowns up, queens. Don't let anybody tell you how to live your life. I am burning my hair. Oh, this is how I am getting a man in 2023. And now that I'm all rollered up, I'm gonna do one last pass with the Texturizing Spray. Ah, girl. Miss ma'am. Okay, I gotta get dressed. Where's my dress? Found my dress. Sequins, cause New Year's. Let's see if this transition works. Works so much better on everybody else. Let's try that again. That's more like it. Earrings, clip-ons because I have torn my earlobes to filth. Yeah, shoes. Did I shave my legs? I did not. But this year's gonna get whatever leg I give it. Speaking of shoes, fragrance. This is my Carolina Herrera Good Girl, which I will not be tonight. Okay, alas, after 50 million years, we are ready, we're sparkly, we're late. It's all good because we look good, we feel good. Happy New Year, I gotta go. Mwah.